About you, but I know about me. Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Mfon. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And on this video, I want to give you an update and do like a quick, simple hair care routine before I go to bed. But that's what I want to talk about. So if you're interested, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Duh. Oh, and come back to my channel, Locks, for you to love. So let's get into this video. For those of you that don't know, I like to look over here because there is a mirror here. And I like to look right here because that's the camera. And I like to look right here because I get to see myself and what I look. For those of you that don't know, I have been going through a journey that has basically been a trial and error. And I use no oil or product on my scalp. And for those of you that don't know that, check out my channel and go look for that video that says the reasons why I stopped using oil on my scalp. Basically, I took a month, almost a month or two, and I literally stopped using oil, period, because my scalp was very irritated. And to make a long story short, what happened was slowly I started integrating products, but I made sure that I would not put anything on my scalp, and that alleviated the major issue of my scalp being irritated. The next thing was products, because a lot of products have things that maybe my skin doesn't like, and even natural things irritate my skin, so it's trial and error. So whatever I put on my hair, I have to be mindful that I also it ends up touching my scalp eventually. So I found some products that work for me, and I use. Do you want me to show you what I use? Look, I'm looking at myself. Do you want me to show you what I use? Do you want me to show you what I use? Do you want me to show you what I use? Hold on, I'm kidding. I'm back. So the products that I use, for those of you that don't know, oh, my eyes are just. Anyways, the products that I use is, I think this is George's All Active Aloe, 100% aloe vera. I use this. My hair loves it. My scalp loves it. Even if this touches my scalp, it does not do anything. So I'm going to keep using this for the next product that I use is aloe vera gel. I love this. I use this more so like once a week. I put on my hair, but preferably I use it for my skin. Look at that. And next I use rose water. I put some rose water in this concoction here, and yeah, I call it a day. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is what I still my hair with. And mind you, I use coconut oil maybe like once every 3 to 5 days. So I don't really put a lot of oil on my hair because I am so petrified from using oils. The other thing that started happening as I was doing this experiment with my hair is then my hair started feeling dry. And I had this issue when I was a loose natural, but it wasn't really that prominent when I started having locks. And when I got locks, my hair thrives. You hear me? This is the state that my hair likes to be in. So I'm like, that's fine because I love it. So I'm like, okay, let me do some research. Why does it feel like my hair is so dry? I'm like, I moisturize my hair. I have a routine. I do all these things. And my hair still feels like it's thirsty. Like, I didn't give you nothing. I work so hard. I spend time with you. I do all these things for you, and you still not satisfied? It's like as soon as I give it to you, you just drop the ball. Then I found out about hair porosity. Dun, dun, dun. Hair porosity. Hair porosity is basically the amount of moisture that your hair shaft absorbs. And so I'm like, okay, let me see what my hair be doing. Not a damn thing. And so I'm like, let me do research. I put moisture in my hair. I found the products that work for me. I seal it like you guys tell me to do, and my hair still feels dry. And so I'm like, what other thing can I add to my hair to um, solidify and like maintain the moisture? And I feel like there's two things that I have not been doing, and that is finding a really good leave-in conditioner that really maintains the moisture in my hair, but also like heals my hair, gives it what it needs so it can calm down. And so I found two products that I love, and I did a little research on honey too. So I was like, let me find something that might have some honey influence and see if my hair likes it and see if my scalp likes it as well. And these are the two products. I am not sure how to pronounce this thing. I want to say ting, but yes, this is like, it's called Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In, and with black castor oil plus biotin. My hair feels great. I've been using this for a week, and so far it's good. So we're gonna see how this goes, because it takes about 2 weeks for me to see if my hair likes it, if my skin loves it. And this Camille Rose, am I saying this right? Camille Rose. Honey Hydrate. I put this after I put the leave-in conditioner. I put this on there, and this product, and maybe it's me because I have like a sensitivity to texture and things on my hands or whatever. So I put this on my hand, I'm rubbing in, and my hands warm up. And I'm like, what kind of magic did they put in here? But my hair loves it. And I can't even read the instructions. Fruit oil, aloe. I don't even know some of these words. So anyways, yeah. And so far my hair loves it. What I want to do is basically bring you on this quick journey of how I'm going to moisturize my hair with the new products that I have. And forgive me for looking over here and looking over here and looking over here, because I just want to make sure I look good for myself. And if you don't like it, don't watch it. If you do like it, keep watching. Like, let me tell you something. I am learning how to love my flaws and all, regardless of what people think, man, because your mental and your heart is very important. And the only person that needs to be really correcting me is God, not you. Not you. Because you just as bad as me. We all in the same boat. No. So anyways, I have a little bit of this. I think this will be enough for now. But this is basically the aloe vera juice, rose water. And I think that's it. And I'm going to put the aloe vera gel on it. So first, man, this spray bottle is clutch. Whoever invented this spray bottle is making bank, and I'm kind of jealous. But I'm happy for you, because you're reaping the benefits and saving my hand from working so hard. This, I just want to let you know of how much I moisturize my hair, and my hair be acting like I don't give it nothing. Like I don't give it anything. I'm just like, yo, I be taking care of you, and you be treating me like this. And for those of you that are looking at this new growth, I have not interlocked my hair in a while. It's almost Last time I did it was the end of December. I'm gonna get my handy dandy brush. For those of you that don't know, I love brushing my hair. And I probably don't do it the way like everybody else does it, but I don't care because this is what works for me. Do a quick brush. I'm gonna brush it throughout this video though, because this is the other way how I get some of that product in. That's the other way of how I retain the moisture. So I haven't had to do it now. I don't feel like I need to right now. But I also dye my hair with henna, and I feel like henna is an extra layer of protection on the hair shaft that helps. So I'm like, that's what I do. But I only dye my hair once every 6 months. This is the conditioner that I'm using. I do like 2 squirts for each section. If I was to do like an organized section, it would be in 4 sections. That's how I do my hair. Now we're gonna do the other side. Let's do the other side. Now, the part that I usually end up neglecting is this front part right here. And I need to give it some love. I only did 1 squirt. Ew. But yeah. And I like getting that thing in there. I like getting this thing in here. The only thing I'm concerned about, and we'll see, because my eyes been acting up, and I think it might be from here. I feel like there is a scent that they put in here, which is causing issues with my eye. And that's not a good look. But I like it because it makes my hair feel so good. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel. Tell you, I'll be taking care of this hair of mine. I'll be acting like it don't want to cooperate and hold moisture. I'm like, I'm gonna help you hold some moisture. So. Is that on still? Thank you. I hope it's still on. One thing about being a YouTuber who likes to record stuff is seeing whether or not the mic works. It would make sense why to have 2 TVs to see if it's working. But this is not even a live, so I'm like, how will I know that it works? I tested it out before, but I have videos I did, and in the process of it almost being done, the sound went out. Okay, so the aloe vera gel is in my hair. The ting, I don't even know, is in my hair. The rose water is in my hair. Aloe vera juice is in my hair. I have 2 more things to put in here. Now this is the honey. This is the honey. We're gonna put this in my hair. Okay. I put this much, but this is gonna be for one side. Cause I feel like this is a lot. But it warms up in my hand. That doesn't make no sense. Okay. And then we do the other side about the same amount. This thing warms up in my hair. The last thing is to seal it with coconut oil, and this is the coconut oil. All right, and this is my hair moisturized. It feels so good. So I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, come back to my channel. Duh. Oh, let me look right here. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and bring that house back.